Well, today's recipe is the Chana Masal chickpea curry from former Canadian Cabinet Minister, the Honourable Jason Kenney, and of course he served as Premier of Alberta. In his caucus, he says, "I was nicknamed Curry in a Hurry because of all the ethnic banquets he's attended." Below is a curry recipe that he actually 100% bona fide cooked himself on a couple of occasions. And that's something of a miracle, he says, him cooking anything. It's healthy and vegetarian, so probably a change of pace from all the recipes received from Western reform types like himself, so he says, but should add a different dimension to the collection. He admits it's also sent by him from obscure Asian groceries to find some of the ingredients. So he's been searching around for this stuff. So here's the ingredients. 1 cup of dry chickpeas or 1 can of chickpeas, 2 to 3 tablespoons of oil, 1 onion peeled and chopped, 2 tablespoons of garlic finely chopped, 2 tablespoons of ginger finely chopped, 2 tomatoes chopped or 1/4 cup of tomato paste, 1 tablespoon of tamarind concentrate paste, 1 teaspoon of chili powder, 1 tablespoon of coriander powder, 1 tablespoon of cumin powder, 1 teaspoon of garam masala, and 1 tablespoon of green coriander. And of course, if that's not spicy enough, some salt to taste. The preparation for the dry chickpeas is soak in 3 cups of water overnight, add salt to taste to the soaked chickpeas, boil in the same water for about a half an hour or until the chickpeas are tender. In a saucepan, heat the oil, add the onion, and fry for 2 minutes. Add ginger and garlic, fry for 1 minute. Add to the chickpeas. Heat oil in another pan and sprinkle with ground coriander, cumin, and chili powder. Mix well and fry for 1 minute. Now, add tomatoes to the mixture. Cover and cook until well cooked. Add to the chickpeas mixture. Cover and simmer for 15 to 20 minutes. Then mix the tamarind paste and stir well. Add a 1/2 cup of water, which is hot if chickpeas look dry, and simmer for 5 to 10 minutes before you start to sprinkle the garam masala and stir. Garnish with chopped green coriander and serve. It serves 4 people, and you just have to serve it with rice, chapati, or naan. And of course, that's Jason Kenney giving us his culinary tips as well as how to locate and source the food that you put in this. I want to thank Curry in a Hurry. You can buy this recipe book on Amazon, or if you'd like to be part of the next book, you could submit it by following the link below or emailing lmac@lisamcleod.ca.